Hi, this is the Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. First, open the control panel, and to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, then just tap to edit. To just remove some of the options from here, you should click here to each of these minuses near each of the icon. To add some options to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. If you want to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, tap to reset and confirm. To save the changes, just tap to done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.